Here we will see dictionary in Python. A dictionary is a data type similar to arrays, but it works with the keys and values instead of indexes. Each value stored in dictionary can be accessed using a key, which is any type of object like string, number, list, etc. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable and do not allow duplicates. Dictionaries can be used to hold two categories of information with related items in a matched order. Dictionaries are more generally known as associative array. Different characteristics of Python dictionaries are: dictionaries are unordered. The dictionary elements key value pairs are not in ordered format. Dictionary keys are case sensitive. The same key name but with different case are treated as different keys in Python dictionaries. No duplicate key is allowed. When duplicate keys are encountered in dictionary, the last key is used to display. Keys must be immutable. That is, we can use strings, numbers or tuples as dictionary keys, but something like key is not allowed. A Python dictionary is made up of key and value pairs. There are two ways for creating dictionary. First is using curly brackets, which is the easiest and straightforward way for creating a dictionary. Is just by enclosing all the data items inside a curly brackets and the individual values are comma separated. And second way is using built-in dict function. We can also create a dictionary using built-in method dict. Here we have to set the key value pairs in the method itself. First we'll see creating a dictionary with curly braces. You can create a dictionary by writing the keys and values as a key value pair in curly brackets. To create an empty dictionary, just give the dictionary name and use curly brackets in front of it. And when we print the dictionary, it will give the output only curly brackets. We can create a dictionary with integer keys. For example, dict1 equal to 1 apple 2 ball, where 1 is a key and apple is a value. And when we print it, it will give the output 1 apple 2 ball. We can create a dictionary with mixed keys. For example, dict1 equal to name ABC. Here 1 is a key and 2, 4, 3 are values. And when we print it, it will give the output name ABC and 1, 2, 4, 3. To create an empty dictionary with dict method, we will use dict1 equal to dict. When we print it, it will give curly brackets only. We can create a dictionary specified with the keyword argument as key equal to value. So dict1 equal to dict, k1 equal to 1, k2 equal to 2, k3 equal to 3. And when we print it, it will give the output k1 1, k2 2, k3 3, where k1 is a key and 1 is a value. We can specify a list of key value pairs such as tuple with key and value. For example, d equal to dict k1, k2, k3. And when we print it, it will give the output k1 1, k2 2 and k3 3. There are two ways to access a single value from a dictionary. First by using the square brackets and second is using get method. First we'll see using square bracket. To get a single value from dictionary, we can use the square bracket approach. To access a value associated with a key, you can place the key inside a square bracket. General syntax is dictionary name, that is dict, and the key. For example, if we define a dictionary with ABC 87, XYZ 90, etc., where ABC is a key and 87 is a value, XYZ is a key, 90 is a value. And when we use mark 1 equal to dict XYZ, and when we print mark 1, it will give the output 90. Here XYZ is a key and 90 is a value associated with this key. If we use square brackets, key error is raised in case of a key is not found in the dictionary. Next is using get method. Get method is used to access a dictionary value if it exists. The get method returns none if the key is not found. General syntax is dict.get and the key. For example, dict equal to if dictionary is defined with keys and values, and when we use mark 1 equal to dict.get xyz, which is a key, and when we print mark 1, it will give the output 90, where 90 is a value associated with the key xyz.